It's no secret that hair loss and thinning hair can be devastating. You're constantly worried about how you look, and it can be hard to regain your confidence. But, if you're looking for a natural and affordable way to regrow your hair, then rice water for hair might be just what you need. In this video, we'll be exploring the amazing results that can be achieved with rice water for hair. We'll discuss the various benefits of using rice water for hair, how to make and use it, and the potential side effects. So, let's get started. What is rice water for hair? Rice water for hair is a natural remedy made from the water left over after boiling or soaking rice. It's been used for centuries by women in Asia as a remedy for hair loss and to promote hair growth. The water left over from boiling or soaking rice contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that can help nourish and strengthen the hair. It can also help improve the texture and shine of the hair, and may even help reduce dandruff and scalp itching. There are many benefits to using rice water for hair. Here are just a few of the most notable ones. Rice water can help nourish and strengthen the hair, making it more resistant to breakage. It can help improve the texture and shine of the hair, making it look healthier and more vibrant. Rice water can help reduce dandruff and scalp itching, which can be caused by a variety of factors, including stress, hormonal changes, and certain medications. It may also help to promote hair growth, due to its high content of vitamins and minerals. Making rice water for hair is very simple and doesn't require any special ingredients or tools. All you need is some rice and water. The first step is to rinse the rice to remove any dirt or debris. Then, add the rice to a pot of boiling water, cover, and simmer for about 20 minutes. Once the rice is done cooking, strain the water into a bowl and let it cool. The resulting liquid is your rice water for hair. Once the rice water has cooled, you can use it in a variety of ways. You can use it as a rinse after shampooing and conditioning your hair, or you can use it as a leave-in treatment. You can also use it as a deep conditioning mask. If you're using it as a rinse, simply pour the rice water over your hair and massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse it off with cool water. If you're using it as a leave-in treatment, apply a small amount to your hair and scalp, and leave it on overnight. In the morning, shampoo and condition your hair as usual. If you're using it as a deep conditioning mask, apply a generous amount of rice water to your hair and scalp. Wrap your hair in a warm towel and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then, rinse it off with cool water and shampoo and condition your hair as usual. While there are many anecdotal reports of people using rice water for hair growth, there is limited scientific evidence to support these claims. However, some studies have found that using rice water for hair may help to reduce hair loss and promote hair growth. One study found that using rice water shampoo helped to reduce hair loss in people with alopecia. Another study found that using rice water as a rinse promoted hair growth in people with alopecia. Although rice water is generally considered to be safe, there are some potential side effects that you should be aware of. For example, some people may experience scalp irritation or allergic reactions when using rice water for hair. It's also important to note that rice water may not be appropriate for everyone. If you have a sensitive scalp, you may want to avoid using rice water for hair as it may cause further irritation. It's also not recommended for people with scalp infections or other skin conditions. Rice water for hair is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to nourish and strengthen the hair. It can help to reduce dandruff and scalp itching, and may even help to promote hair growth. If you're looking for a natural and affordable way to regrow your hair, then rice water for hair might be just what you need. Give it a try and see the amazing results for yourself.